Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to take up a topic in grammar, which is report writing. It is very important because it records all the important events of our day-to-day life. Now, what do you understand by a report? It is a brief account of the events that has already happened. In this way, a report writing or a report helps us or enables us to record the most important events that has happened, and we can refer to them whenever we need to. Now, today I'll be discussing the format of report writing, and also I will give you the examples and some topics for writing reports. So please do go through the format in this video and also sincerely try to write a report. It can also incorporate one's ideas or one's own thoughts and opinion besides the facts about the particular event. Now, in this report writing, it can be of various types of events. It can be either an event or some kind of program that has been organized in a school or in an organization or anywhere. And on the other hand, it can be a witnessed event, that is, which may be of a serious kind of accident or breaking out of a fire or any mishap. So please follow the video. Thank you. So students, we are going to begin with the report writing. What is a report? A report is a written or spoken account of an event. It gives relaying information or recounts certain events in a widely presentable form. It presents a focused and salient content. Salient means the content which is important. It is often used to display the result of an experiment, investigation, or inquiry. It may use graphics, images, or specialized vocabulary to persuade the audience to undertake an action. Or in other words, we can say that a report is a written composition, or in other words, we can say it is a prepared talk about a particular subject. It is a vivid expression of a personal experience on account of something heard, seen, done, studied, etc., meant to be published or broadcasted. The most common example is the news reports we read in the newspapers every day. Reports can be of many types, such as a newspaper report, a report about an event or function at school, institute, organization, a report about an accident or happening that you have witnessed, a report about an inquiry or survey. So now let us have a look at the difference between a magazine report and newspaper report. A magazine report has a heading, whereas a newspaper report can have a headline or a complete sentence, as you must have seen in the newspapers that it has a headline. Then in a magazine report you have byline, which is actually by whom, written by whom, the report is presented by whom. So it will consist of by so and so name. And on the other hand, the newspaper report has byline but along with the designation. Now the designation of a newspaper report is about the person is either a newspaper reporter, you can write reporter, or a correspondent of so and so newspaper, you can write the name of the newspaper as well. Then you have opening paragraph in the magazine report, whereas in the newspaper report you have date and place. And in magazine report you have account of the event, that is what all had happened in that event, all that you will be writing. Then in the newspaper report there will be opening paragraph. So after the opening paragraph in newspaper report, you have account of the event and the witness remarks. Whatever remarks you gather from the people present at that event, or maybe even if it is an accident, the people present there, you must have recorded their remarks, that is witness remarks. Witness, one who has seen what had happened there. But in the magazine report you just write the conclusion. Conclusion is based on the topic. Suppose it is it's an event based on some program highlighting some issue, maybe the current issues, maybe COVID-19. Then in the conclusion you will write what was the impact or effect of all that happened in that particular event. Suppose there was a drama play or a song, what effect it had come, and finally how will the things change. That will be your conclusion in the magazine report. So in general, what is the format of a report? Be it any kind of report, in general we have to write a headline, secondly the name of the reporter byline, and then you have the opening paragraph, and then details in the next two paragraphs, and then you have a conclusive statement. Now, what are the important things that you have to consider when you write a report? Students, you must see that you are factual. Only the facts are to be written, because in an event that you have witnessed, you are reporting about that what you have seen and what had happened. So it should be factual, and do not add any information on your own that may seem fictitious. It should not be imaginary, it should not be fiction, it should not be fictitious. Second point that you have to keep in mind is write in indirect speech, and preferably in passive voice. Third, write in third person form and avoid using pronouns like I, me, or you. You don't have to write that I was present there, so I saw this, and so I met the person, and I saw the people running here and there. You don't have to write this. You don't have to give a running commentary by using first person. You are supposed to write in third person. Then avoid imposing your personal opinions, and do not make any conclusions. You don't have to make your personal conclusions or give your personal opinion. Answer the questions to when, where, why, what, who, and how. Now these are the 6 questions that are very important, that you have to keep in your mind while you're writing the first paragraph of any report. First of all, you have to write when it happened, where it happened, why it was organized, or why it happened, what, who, and how. So all these questions should strike your mind while writing a report. Now let us focus on the questions or the samples that I have uploaded for you, in which we will see how a report is written for a school magazine. Now you can see the question in your on your screen, that this is the question based on report writing, which is a long composition, and long composition you have article writing and report writing for your board exam syllabus this year. So let us read that question. You are Vinod or Vinita of Subhash Public School, Gorakhpur. Recently, your school celebrated its silver jubilee. Write a report in 150 to 200 words for your school magazine describing the various programs arranged in your school for the celebration. So how to go about it? You can also pay attention to the answer. Silver Jubilee Celebrations by Saurabh Singh 12B. So in this way you will be writing the title or the heading and byline. Now you need not write the date and place because it is not a newspaper report. You need not write it separately. So you will directly introduce that who is organizing it, where it is being organized, and so on. So the introductory paragraph would be like this. Subhash Public School, Gorakhpur recently completed its 25 years of establishment on 5th of February 2006. The management and staff of the school organized a grand function to celebrate the same. Mr. Prabhat Gupta, the DM of Gorakhpur, graced the occasion as the chief guest. The school premises was attractively decorated for the celebrations and the chief guest was received by the director and the principal of the school at the main gate. After the Saraswati Vandana and welcome song, Mr. Praveen Nangia, the school principal, gave a brief speech highlighting the meritorious services of the school to the cause of education for the past 25 years. The chief guest, now you see the next paragraph. In the first paragraph, you have just written the introductory paragraph, who was the chief guest, when was it organized, why it was organized, who organized it, okay? Now in the second paragraph you will give the details. The chief guest acknowledged the same in his speech thereafter. He honored 6 teachers for their dedicated services in the field of education. The students who were the all-rounders of each class were awarded medals by the DM. So you see how it is an account of what happened one after the other, which event took place one after the other in a sequence. Now the third paragraph consists of students of the 3 houses presented a musical extravaganza which was the special feature of the show. Now let us take a look at another kind of question which is also a magazine report. On Teachers' Day, the badge holders of your school organized a grand celebration to honor the teachers of your school. As the head boy of the school, write a report on the celebration in 125 to 150 words. So these are just the examples which you can go through how to write a report. Teachers' Day celebrated by Sanjeev Kumar, head boy. So this is how you write the byline. First you write the heading and then just below that you write the byline. Okay, and here you can mention if the question gives the designation or the position of the reporter, then you can write that. For example, here in the school, this reporter is a head boy, so therefore you can write that. On 5th September, the badge holders of Geeta Ratan School, with the assistance of other students, felicitated the teachers of the school. The awards instituted were Best Teacher, Most Popular Teacher, Most Dutiful Teacher in the categories of Senior Secondary, Elementary and Primary. The awards were for the first, second and third position in each category. Earlier in the month, the opinions of each and every student was taken for the 3 types of awards and results collected to decide about a survey. 75% children plagued by dental problems. IDA by Sri Parnas Datta, staff correspondent. New Delhi, 15 July 2000 XX. According to a recent survey conducted by the Indian Dental Association, 75% of the school-going children are plagued by dental problems, especially tooth decay and bleeding gums. The survey was done to report on the oral hygiene of the school students in India. The survey was held for a period of 6 months, January to June this year, in the schools all over India. As a part of the survey, renowned dentists visited 1,000 schools all over the country and conducted a thorough checkup of about 1.5 lakh students. The most astounding finding of the survey was that only 20% of the children brushed their teeth twice a day. The doctors emphasized on brushing of the teeth and periodical flossing to prevent tooth decay and cavity. Linked to the bank, its information system is linked to the major blood banks in the country to enable the right group of blood to be made available at short notice. The hospital covered an area of 8,000 square meters, and the total expenditure in building the hospital had come around 35 crore rupees. Addressing the people, Dr. Bhavdekar, the medical superintendent, reinforced the need for dedicated and committed staff. He sincerely hoped that the hospital would provide the best health services to the people at nominal cost. A blood donation camp was also organized to mark the auspicious occasion. The authorities also announced free treatment for the poor patients on every Sunday from 10 to 12 noon. Okay, students, so now we'll discuss another question based on report writing. Let us read the question. A super specialty hospital was inaugurated in your town by the health minister. As a reporter from the Hindu, write a brief report on the same to be published in the newspaper. Now let us see how this answer you have to write. That is the report that you are supposed to write. Now you can see there is a heading there, and then it is followed by the byline. As I described you a few minutes ago, you can see the name is written by who is the reporter, and since it is a newspaper report, you can write down staff reporter as your designation. So the title goes Super Speciality Hospital Inaugurated. Now, as I told you, you are supposed to mention the place and date in the newspaper report, which is not compulsory or mandatory in magazine report. Swasthya Surbhi, a super specialty hospital, was inaugurated by Ram Prakash Chaudhary, the Minister of State for Health, on Friday. The 400-bed hospital seemed to be equipped with the most advanced and state-of-the-art machines and equipments with the latest infrastructure to back up exigencies. It employs internationally trained physicians in the field of emergency medicine, fully equipped advanced cardiac life support ambulances has been made available around the clock. Besides having an in-house blood bank, its information system has been linked. About a survey, 75% children plagued by dental problems. IDA by Sri Parnas Datta, staff correspondent. New Delhi, 15 July 2000 XX. According to a recent survey conducted by the Indian Dental Association, 75% of the school-going children are plagued by dental problems, especially tooth decay and bleeding gums. The survey was done to report on the oral hygiene of the school students in India. The survey was held for a period of 6 months, January to June this year, in the schools all over India. As a part of the survey, renowned dentists visited 1,000 schools all over the country and conducted a thorough checkup of about 1.5 lakh students. The most astounding finding of the survey was that only 20% of the children brushed their teeth twice a day. The doctors emphasized on brushing of the teeth and periodical flossing to prevent tooth decay and cavity. Now let us see what did you observe in this report. The report has a simple headline. The report underlines the purpose of the survey in the opening paragraph. The subsequent 2 paragraphs tell us about when and how the survey was conducted, and finally the facts and figures are given. So this is how you have to make your report very factual, and there should not be any element of fiction or of your own opinion or conclusion. I hope you must have understood through these examples. I'll be giving you some questions in the assignment, and please try to write the reports as per the questions given.